Hello everyone, this is Bradley over at Rosen Nissan Madison. I just wanted to give you a quick informative video to let you know about the infrastructure we have here for charging stations for the electric vehicle community. So here at Rosen we do actually have 4 blink chargers available and then 1 other level 3 charger available, which is right here. For the blink chargers you will need the application and a payment card added to the application. So if you look right over here, these are both of our level 2 chargers. And then right here is our non-blink level 3 charger. And then over on that side of the building, past our service area, are the other 2 blink level 3 chargers. And then all 3 of the level 3 chargers are capable of charging both with the combined charging system. So if your level 3 charge port looks like that, and then also the CHAdeMO, which would be this plug. So if you need to get your vehicle charged, bring it over to Rosen Nissan Madison and we'll get you taken care of.